Let us see one more TET question. If area of the isosceles triangle with a base of 8 centimeters is 12 square centimeter, then its perimeter is. So they have given area of the isosceles triangle. We need to find out its perimeter. What is isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal or two angles are equal. That is what we know. So let us draw isosceles triangle. Let us assume these two angles as equal. That means opposite sides are equal. And what is the length of base? 8 centimeters. And what is its area? 12 square centimeter. Now we need to find out perimeter, this length. We know that area is half into base into height, which is 12. Half into what is base? 8 into height equal to 12. What is height? 12 by 4, which is 3. So height is 3. Then what is this? 4. This is 4 because this is isosceles triangle. Then what is this length? 5. If this length is 5, this length is 5. Why this is 5? From Pythagoras theorem. This length is root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is root of 9 plus 16, which is 5. Now what is perimeter? This length plus this length plus this length, that is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18. So this is the answer.